What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn and today we're going to learn how to play Intentions by Justin Bieber on the good old uke. A huge shout out and thank you over to the Leilani team for sending me this beauty of a uke, but also for creating such an amazing sounding and looking ukulele. As you can see on the headstock, it says Leilani. Really beautiful. It is a concert size, and if you do want to shop their ukes, which I highly recommend that you do, I'll put a link to their Instagram and also to their website that you can go shop for yourself. Also, if you want to save 10% off your entire purchase of their ukes, you can use the code Ricky2020 and that will automatically save you 10% off your entire purchase. Again, that's Ricky2020 and it will save you 10% off. Also, one huge thing that I would love for you to do for this video is to give this video a thumbs up. That basically just tells YouTube that this video is awesome and it'll share it out to more people and more people will find this channel. So if you love me and I love you, then give this video a thumbs up. But yeah, let's get into this tutorial. So this song is fairly easy in that it only has 3 chords, and the chords are A, F sharp minor, and last but not least, D. So those are the 3 chords that you need for the song. If you're like, Ricky, I know how to play those chords, let's move on to the strumming, to the chord progression, or the mini play along. Don't worry, I'm gonna go right here and I'll put a skip to section where you can just go ahead to skip wherever you want in this video. You're not gonna hurt my feelings if you do. This is what this is here for. So if you wanna go skip ahead, go ahead, choose whatever you want. You can go here, here, or here. But if you're like, Ricky, I don't know what an A or a D or F sharp minor is, don't worry, we're gonna go step by step on how to play each chord coming up. So before we go over the finger positioning for each chord, let's talk about how we're gonna number the strings and the frets. So if you're super new to ukulele and you're not sure about how these are numbered, make sure to listen up because it's gonna be very helpful and also important to know where to put your fingers for each chord. So let's pick up our uke. The top string is going to be the 4th string. The next one down is going to be the 3rd. The next one down is going to be the 2nd. And the last one at the bottom is going to be the 1st. And then let's look at our fretboard and you see these markers. So this is going to be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So I highly recommend if you want to pause this video and just kind of look at your uke, familiarize yourself with the numbering of the strings and the frets, and yeah, just really take a look, really memorize, really get to know your uke. It's going to be your best friend. Trust me, I know it is definitely mine. So now that we know that, let's go into the finger positioning for each chords. The first chord that we're going to learn is the A chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to place it on the 3rd string 1st fret, and then I take my middle finger and I place it on the 4th string 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to learn is the F sharp minor chord, and how we're going to play this is we're basically going to leave our fingers where we left for the A chord, which again is the pointer finger on the 3rd string 1st fret, the middle finger on the 4th string 2nd fret, and then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd string 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The last chord that we're going to learn for this song is the D chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my middle finger and I like to place it on the 2nd string 2nd fret, and then I take my pointer finger and I go over the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret. So basically you're literally putting your fingers on the 4th, 3rd, 2nd string on the 2nd fret. The bottom string is open, there's no fingers on the bottom string, and it should sound like this. You can also play the D chord with your 3 fingers, this one, so I'll just show you quickly. Pointer finger on the 4th string 2nd fret, middle finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret, and then your ring finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret. But my fingers are a little bit too big, especially on a concert size ukulele, so I just like to play it the other way, but you can play it either or, and it should sound just good. So those are the chords that you need for this song. Make sure you know how to play them and make sure you are comfortable transitioning between each chord. Now let's talk about strumming. Alright, so we've made it to the strumming portion of this video. How I like to play this song and also how I played it in the play along. Again, I'll put it linked in the description below, also in the eye up here. Definitely go check that out, leave some love on that video. But how I play it is I do a down, up, chuck. So we'll put the A chord down and you're gonna do down, up, chuck. Let's do it one more time with the A chord down. In 3, 2, 1, down, up, chuck. So one thing, if you don't know how to chuck, basically you're muting all the chords as soon as you strum down. So let's go ahead and just show you really quickly. So you're just going to strum all 4 chords, and then with your palm, this meaty portion right here, you're gonna sort of press down. So it's going to be, so you don't want the strings to play fully, have a full sound, so just be a down, up, chuck. So let's do it one more time. In 3, 2, 1, down, up, chuck. Let's do it a little bit faster. In 3, 2, 1, down, up, chuck. So if we add all the chords and speed it up, it should sound a little bit like this. So as you can tell, there is a chord progression that we're going to also talk about. So you're going to basically strum that down, up, chuck for the A chord 4 times. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to go to F sharp minor and play that once. 1, go to D, play it once. 1, go back to F sharp minor. 1, and D. 1, and then you start the cycle all over again with the A chord. So again, it's going to be A chord, you're going to play that 4 times with that strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's going to switch from F sharp minor to D, F sharp minor, D. So it's going to go F sharp minor, D, F sharp minor, D, and then you go back to it. So it'd be like, picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Go just make them drop dead, you're a killer. Shower you with all my intentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. So basically that's what it would sound like. Again, definitely go check out the full play along for this song. But yeah, now that you know the chords, the strumming, the chord progression, let's see how everything bundles up into the mini play along. Again, I'll link the full play along down in the description below. So let's start the mini play along in 3, 2, 1. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Go just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, get your own bread. Hot full of equity or an acid. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. So congratulations, you now know how to play Intentions by Justin Bieber on the good old uke. Again, definitely highly recommend this concert ukulele from Leolani. If you do, again, want to shop this uke, I'll put all the links in the description below. Also, don't forget that you can save 10% off your entire purchase at checkout if you use the code Ricky2020. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. It looks a little bit like this. Also, click the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. And follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. It's just at Ricky Somborn. We reached 53,000 Instagram family members, and I would love for you to join. Send me a DM saying that you came from this video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.